Look, man, when you go to the church, your pastor will tell you, God will give you a strength so you can fight the Goliath. Goliath is dead. Wake up. God will give you strength so you can fight the lions like Solomon. Let me educate you with one thing, because you keep on saying and fuck up your soul. God is not a God of history. God is a God of today and now and forever. You know how wise the devil is. When God bless you with the shelter, clothes, food, it won't be enough to you. Trust me. Because Satan will keep on advertising useless things in front of your eyes so you can say God doesn't love you. Instead, God has blessed you, but you are focusing. Listen, man. You see, even Jesus Christ, he was focusing on the Satan. Did he kill Satan? Nah. Why? Because God said, my battle is Satan. Is my battle, not your battle. Why Jesus was focusing on the Satan? That's what you do. That's what you are doing right now. Satan, he messed up everything. There's no disease that comes from God. There's none. But I can name all diseases that come from Satan. But today, God, people are hating God. God is a father, is a parent. You understand? Take yourself as a child who disappoints his father or his mother. What your mother will say when you tend to be gay, when you tend to be a gangster, they won't say anything, but they will be around you, just like God. You keep on fucking up yourself every day. I make these videos for the young children. When they raise up or they grow up, they should not take themselves to the church, to the business. They should worship God. Guys, look at the river now. The rivers are dirty. There's no way you can baptize. Satan has messed up the river out there. Messed up the media. They don't want you to be educated. Peace out, y'all.